Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered if AI could be a reliable medical assistant for people who don't speak English? It's a huge challenge because most powerful AI models are trained on English data, and when it comes to medicine, giving a wrong or hallucinated answer can be incredibly dangerous. This leaves languages like Bangla, spoken by over 230 million people, largely underserved, creating barriers to reliable medical knowledge. To solve this, a team of researchers first needed a way to even test an AI's medical knowledge in Bangla. So, they created Bangla QA and Bangla MedBench, the first ever large-scale sets of multiple-choice medical questions for the language. One dataset contains 1,000 questions from actual medical school admission tests in Bangladesh. The other has 1,000 more complex, situational questions to test deeper reasoning. With the exam ready, they needed to find the best student. Instead of using a standard AI that might just guess, they focused on a technique called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. Think of it like giving the AI an open book test. Before answering, it first retrieves relevant information from a knowledge source, like a textbook. In this case, the researchers actually digitized a Bangla medical textbook for the AI to use. But they didn't stop at a simple open book test. They benchmarked several advanced RAG strategies to see which was the smartest. They tried systems with a fallback, where if the AI can't find the answer in the book, it uses its own knowledge. They also tested iterative feedback, where the AI refines its search if it gets the answer wrong the first time. The most fascinating strategy was called Agentic RAG. This approach lets the AI itself decide the best course of action for each question. A router inside the model first checks the digitized textbook. If it decides the information isn't good enough, it can then choose to perform a web search to find more context. If both of those fail, it falls back on its own general knowledge. It's an AI that actively decides how to find the answer. So which strategy worked best? Across all the tests, the Agentic RAG came out on top, achieving the highest accuracy of nearly 90%. This shows that giving the AI the dynamic ability to choose its information source is incredibly effective. So, let's recap the important points. The researchers created the first large-scale benchmark for testing biomedical AI in the Bangla language. They proved that RAG, or giving an AI factual documents to reference, dramatically improves accuracy over simple guessing. Most importantly, they showed that an agentic system, one that intelligently decides whether to use a local textbook or the web, is the most robust and accurate approach. This work builds a critical foundation for developing trustworthy and accessible medical AI systems for millions of non-English speakers, helping to make reliable knowledge more equitable for all.